Hey guys, welcome back. So today what I have for you guys is my July Believers Box unboxing. You guys should already know what Believers Box is, but if you don't, it's a subscription service for Christian women. Why was that a mouthful? All right, guys. So there's always a theme. And the theme for July is masterpiece. That sounds super interesting. I am going to get the little paper that they always include in here. So we have our little paper with all of the things that come in. You guys already know that they always put in a 5x7 card with the theme. This is beautiful. It says masterpiece and it has a psalm on it. This is Psalm 1112. And then it also has these two little pass-along cards, which I absolutely adore. And it says the works of the Lord are great. And it also has the psalm on it. This is beautiful. Like, I can't get over this. Look how pretty that is. Oh my God, such a beautiful card. All right, so first thing in here is some colored pencils. And these also say masterpiece. They also have the verse on them. And they come in like this little container here. And they have 12 different colors, I believe it is. 12 colored pencils. And it says it has a sharpener. So the sharpener, where's the sharpener? Oh, the sharpener's on the top. That's cute. All right, so we've got this. And I know this goes with something else that comes in here. All right, so the colored pencils come together with these cards right here. This is so beautiful. These are 12 journaling art cards with the same theme as well. Look how beautiful that is. And inside, you have your little card so you can color it. And on the back, you can journal. That is beautiful. I already know what I'm gonna use this for. I'm in a program where I am a pen pal with people that live in nursing homes, like older people that live in nursing homes. And I love, if you guys know me, like know me for real, you know that I really, really love the elderly population a lot. So I have little things, you know, all these little cards and things like that. And I have other things which I send to my pen pal. And this is something that would be great because I color it on my own, you know, and then there's stuff on the back. You can journal on the back or write like your little note on the back to that person. I think this is beautiful. This is very, very nice. I love this. Next thing in here is a bracelet. It's from Threads of Faith and it's called the Shoelace Bracelet. It is adjustable. So it looks like a shoelace. That's so pretty because it's so different. And it has a little cross with a heart there, if you guys can pick that up. And I want to see if I can just put this on. And then on the little lace, it says, like on the little thing on the lace here, it says trust, and then it says Proverbs 3:5. This is so pretty and it's so different. I love things like this because they're not the usual type of stuff. Okay, so that's what it looks like on. So unique and different. I love that. I'm loving that. Okay, next thing in here is like a book. Let's see what it says here. A devotional. Yes, it's a devotional book, which are also books that I love to keep, some for me and some to pass along to friends or whoever might need it, even to my pen pal. So it says Finding True Rest in a Busy Life, a 20-day devotional journey to finding true rest. So it says whether you are a corporate executive, a mom, a volunteer, a student, or a mix of all the above, you are busy. In fact, that probably feels like the understatement of the year. How many women don't I know that feel overwhelmed and busy and just going crazy? So this would be beautiful, even myself sometimes, you know, for me, or to pass along. They can make little notes. This is a beautiful box, beautiful box. Next thing in here is, what is this? This is an accessory bag. So it says the same thing, masterpiece, the works of the Lord are great. And it's like pink and clear, so you can put like, you can use this for anything, for pencils, for markers, for like your journaling stuff, like journaling markers. You can even use this for makeup. It's beautiful. I love it. Next thing in here is a tote bag. I had seen this on the spoilers, or yeah, spoilers is what they're called. The sneak peeks. This is a beautiful tote bag. Look how beautiful this is. I like that it's not too big. So it's like a cute small size. It has the same Bible verse on it. And on the back has these beautiful flowers. And this one actually has like a little zipper. So this is nice. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. All right, guys, so that is it for my Believers box. This has been one of the most beautiful boxes I've gotten. I literally love every single month. I love all my boxes. Like, there's so many different things you can get. You're always surprised. You can get food, shirts. I've gotten several shirts. It's so worth it. You can get like jewelry, bracelets, but look how cute, like something different. They always send something different. There's always different things, and there's CDs. I've gotten CDs before. The devotionals I get quite often, which are amazing. Books. This is beautiful. The journaling cards, I'm super excited about that. I think it's completely worth it, guys. So if you guys are interested, I'll leave the link down below so you guys can subscribe to it. I believe, if I'm not mistaken, it's $34.95 a month. I don't remember, because you guys know I never know. You guys already know how I am with that. But yeah, guys, it's totally worth it. I absolutely love getting my box every month. I've never really skipped a box on this one, I think. I really love it. All right, guys, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I love you guys, and I will see you next time. Bye, my loves.